Hey, this is Sydney with PayHOA, and in this video, I'm excited to introduce you to our new in-app bookkeeping module. When you're navigating to this page from any other area of the website, first, you're going to go to Other Tools, and then Bookkeeping. From here, you'll be able to review all of the great benefits about our bookkeeping service, receive a quote based on the details of your organization, and answer any FAQs you might have. When you're ready to enroll, we're going to come to the top here and click Get Started. Start off with our basic information here. You may have multiple board members, but whoever you want the main representative to be when maintaining the relationship with the bookkeeper is whose details you'll want to have listed here. Here's where you're going to give the bookkeeper certain details about your accounting setup. You'll want to select whether you're cash or accrual based, and if you're not sure, you can read this helpful guide or leave it as uncertain to help your bookkeeper determine that. If your fiscal year runs on a normal calendar year, you'll select that here, but if you run on a fiscal year different from the calendar year, you'll go ahead and select that, as well as the first month in your fiscal year. If you're a new customer and you haven't yet set up your chart of accounts in PayHOA, you can go ahead and select that you need help setting that up here. If you're already a PayHOA customer or you prefer to set this up yourself, you can select yes, everything is set up. Here in our service preferences, we'll want to make a few selections. If you'd like to receive quarterly reports, be sure to go ahead and select monthly, quarterly, and yearly. This can be done at no additional charge to you. If you'd still like to offer the option to your homeowners of paying their dues through paper check, but you don't want to collect those yourself, you can have the bookkeeper help you enroll in our lockbox service, which will collect those checks and process them for you. And down here is where we're going to select the first month that we'd like reports from the bookkeeping service to start. Keep in mind that bookkeeping reports produced in the following month. For example, any October reports would be generated in November. PayHOA has a built-in integration with Alliance Association Bank, which brings significant benefits to our bookkeepers when completing your monthly reports. So if you would be interested in setting up Alliance Association bank accounts in exchange for a 15% discount on your bookkeeping service, go ahead and select yes, I'm interested here. After you've completed your bookkeeping enrollment, one of our AAB team members will reach out to you to discuss with you all of the benefits of AAB and help you get set up if you are interested. If you'd like our bookkeepers to prepare any reports for prior periods, go ahead and fill that information out here in the backdating section. For instance, go ahead and let them know what period you're interested in having done and what information you have available from those periods to assist in completing reports. Once you've enrolled in bookkeeping, your bookkeeper will review these details and give you a personalized quote for those backdated reports that you need done. And finally, if you're a new customer and haven't set up your recurring invoices yet and would like the bookkeeper to help you with that, go ahead and select yes, please set them up for us. Once you make that selection, you'll want to go ahead and provide as many details as possible about those invoices, including active dates, due dates, amounts, and any late fees that need to be set up. Finally, this is where you're going to upload any prior financial statements. If you're starting at the beginning of a fiscal year, go ahead and include the statements for your last fiscal year. If you're starting mid-fiscal year, go ahead and include the year-to-date statements for the current period we're in. Once you've got all of these details filled out, we're going to go ahead and complete the enrollment. Here's where we get our first look at the bookkeeping module. As you can see, right after your onboarding, the bookkeeping team is going to be reviewing your details and assigning a bookkeeper to your account. Let's take a look at what this will look like once a bookkeeper has been assigned. Once your bookkeeper has been assigned, you'll see their details up here, including their phone number, email, and an easy link to schedule a call with them should you need to. In the section below, we're going to see a list of all of our bank accounts in PayHOA. For any bank accounts that are not AAB bank accounts, you'll have to manually upload statements for these every month. To do that, we're going to go here to Upload, and here we're going to select what month we're uploading these statements for. If you need to change the year, you can do so up here. And then once you've selected a month here, we'll be able to upload a file. Once we've uploaded a file here, we'll go ahead and select Upload Statement to send that statement directly to our bookkeeper. Bookkeeper has uploaded your report packets for the month, you'll be able to see those in the financial and tax document section. See here where the February monthly report packet has been uploaded for my use. As you're with the bookkeeping service for longer, you'll see more and more report packets start to be stored here. So at some point, it might be helpful for you to use our easy filters up here. This has been an overview of the bookkeeping module. Thanks for watching.